Good morning, dear students of class 8. Today in your English online learning class, we are going to take up the question answers of the lesson The Selfish Giant Part 1. Students, we took up the lesson Selfish Giant Part 1 yesterday, the text part, and before this you had also been shown a video based on a PowerPoint presentation covering the lesson in 3 parts. Now today we are going to take up the question answers of the first part of the lesson. Now the first question, why the giant is called selfish? The answer, the giant was called selfish because he wanted to keep his garden reserved only for himself. He banned the entry of outsiders there. If you remember in the lesson, the children used to enjoy playing in the giant's garden. But when the giant returned back, he got very angry and he asked the children to leave the place. And he had built a huge wall all around his garden and also put up a notice, trespassers not allowed. So the question, why the giant is called selfish? The giant was called selfish because he wanted to keep the garden reserved only for himself. And he banned the entry of outsiders there. The second question. On one occasion, when the children said how happy we are, later they said how happy we were there. What are they referring to in both the cases? The answer, in both the cases, the children are referring to the giant's garden. The difference between the two sentences are, in the first sentence, they are enjoying in the giant's garden. But in the second sentence, it is beyond their reach. They are remembering how they were happy in the past when they used to enjoy in the giant's garden. But now they were not allowed to enter the giant's garden. Question number 3. When the spring came, it was still winter in the garden. What does winter stand for or indicate here? Winter has been presented like a story with its own characters and their activities. So, the answer is winter indicates that flowers did not bloom in the giant's garden. The bird didn't sing. There was no sign of joy and greenery. So, part 2 of the answer, winter has been portrayed as a destroyer. It has its own characters. Snow and frost are the prominent characters. Trees have been covered with white cloak. The trees looked lifeless. North wind has come to stay there permanently. Hail settled on the roof. So, winter stands here as a destroyer. And with winter comes snow, frost, north wind and hail. So there is no spring in the giant's garden. Question number 4. Was the giant happy or sad over the state of the garden? The giant felt sad to see the state of his garden. Different seasons brought no change in it because spring did not come to his garden. there was always winter in his garden. What effect did the linnet song have over hail and north wind? Answer: as an effect of the linnet song, the hail stopped dancing over his head, since the north wind ceased roaring. So this was a signal of the arrival of spring. So I hope you all have understood the answers. You are going to write down the question and answers of part 1 in your copies. Thank you. Have a nice day, and please ensure that you watch the videos every day and you also maintain your copies. Thank you.